morning to all. So it's sharp 7 a.m. now, and as you can see, I have wake up. So आज हम लोग का कॉलेज नहीं है, तो इसी वजह से मैं अभी उठा हूँ। तो अभी मैं मुंह धो के ब्रश करके स्टडी करने बैठता हूँ। कॉलेज नहीं है तो यूपीएससी डिग्री दोनों को अच्छे से आज टाइम दे पाऊंगा, इसी वजह से मैं अभी उठा हूँ। Okay, so it's sharp 9:30 a.m. now, and I am done with my first slot. And now I'm going to take a short break of 15 minutes. And around 9:45, you can say, I'll be back to my study table. And once I'm back, I'm going to read 14 more pages which are left. So it's sharp 12:13 p.m. now, and I am done with reading that topic on kinship. You can say I have completed this chapter. So in the morning I had not eaten anything. So अब मैं क्या करूँगा? Now I will go to the market and bring fish and vegetables, and then I will start cooking. As you can see, our sabji is getting ready. Food we have not cooked yet. So सब्जी होने के बाद खाना बनाएंगे और गर्मा गर्म खा लेंगे. Okay, so it's sharp 2:39 p.m. now, and as you can see, our food is ready, and there's our sabji is also ready. So it took almost 1.5 hours to cook. So now you have it. Okay, so it's sharp 3:30 p.m. now, and we had our lunch, and now what I'm going to do is now I'll take rest for some time, and then around 3:45 I will march to that landfill area and will observe the waste materials, what type of waste are being thrown there in that area, and I will try to ask few questions to the pupils living there. That is case study, if any case has happened with them someday. So I'll go after some time there and will try to investigate that area. Okay, so it's sharp 4:35 p.m. now, and as you can see, I am back from that area, from that you can say landfill area. So I have observed what are the waste materials that are being thrown there. So I will use observation method and will prepare a note type which I will show to my teacher, and then on Sunday I'll go to that area. I will take the interview of at least 10% and will take case study of at least 2 to 3%. So for today I have observed that area, so now I will write whatever I have observed and will show it to my teacher, and will also prepare some good questions which they will be able to answer, because the pupil of that area, most of them are illiterate. So I have to prepare such questions which they will be able to answer me. Okay, so it's sharp 9 p.m. now, and I had my dinner, and as you can see, I am on my bed. I'll sleep now. I have to wake up early in the morning tomorrow and do my optional. So before going to bed, I would like to share a line with you. Do one thing at a time and while doing it, put your whole soul into the exclusion of all else. Good night.